Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut and I'm here outside of the Eden Gardens. Before getting into the details of the first innings and that incredible knock from Andre Russell, if you're wondering what the weather is looking like, I will be very honest, it is quite breezy, but at the same time the sky is crystal clear and there are no more dark clouds hovering over the Eden Gardens anymore, so you do not have to worry about rain, at least for the moment. Now, going back to the game, a do-or-die game for the Kolkata Knight Riders, especially when you think of the fact that in the last game they turned their fate around at the Arun Jaitley Stadium against Delhi Capitals, a very dominating performance from the Kolkata Knight Riders. On the other hand, a very jaded Rajasthan Royals coming off of 8 losses in the 11 matches that they have played. KKR had everything going in their favour from the very beginning when we talk about this particular game, especially them winning the toss and choosing to bat first. Now when we look back on the last game where it all started for KKR, the do-or-die situation started for Kolkata Knight Riders, the top order was changed. Quinton de Kock dropped, Rahmanullah Gurbaz in, and after that what we saw was multiple match-defining partnerships from the top order. That happened today as well, and that is something that will make all the difference. Now when we look at today's game, the first innings, it was Rahmanullah Gurbaz and Ajinkya Rahane, the skipper, who made an incredible 53 of 33 runs, 33 balls partnership. That is something that got the Kolkata Knight Riders batting going. After that, it was Ajinkya Rahane and Ankush Raghuvanshi who stitched together a 42-run, 31-ball partnership. Now they did struggle with running between the wickets, and when you look at these two partnerships, they were heavily dependent on boundaries and sixes and fours, but at the same time, it was a good score. By the 10 overs, by the end of the power play, the two partnerships had stitched together about 80 to 90 runs, 90 plus runs in fact, by the 10th over, and that made all the difference. Any team that gets going in the power play has the match by the throat. Now going forward, the match defining moment came from Andre Russell, who was promoted up the order at number 5 today. Before that he was coming in at number 7, number 8. Somewhere he could not score, did not have enough runs, did not have enough balls or overs to bat with. Now it was that match-defining partnership between Andre Russell and Ankush Raghuvanshi. 61 runs off of 33 balls, a fiery cameo from both of them, and the finishing touches with the partnership with Rinku Singh and Andre Russell, of course. Now when you really think of this now, everything that was going wrong with the KKR batting lineup, finally they are coming into their groove at the Eden Gardens as well. We haven't seen many good batting performances from the team at their own home, but at the same time, it is Andre Russell's game, it is Andre Russell's batting that has changed the game for KKR tonight. We'll be back at the end of the game, so don't forget to join us then.